Now that you know the major third and the minor third, you have the building blocks to create a whole range of chords. And we're going to start with two of the simplest chords that you can make with major and minor thirds, and those are major triads and minor triads. Let's start out with the major triads, and there's a pretty simple formula for a major triad. The major triad is a major third plus a minor third. Major third plus a minor third. Let me show you how that works. So let's start a major triad. Let's build a major triad from C. So here's C. So here's what we need. We need a major third, and let's figure out what the major third is going to be. We go C to C sharp to D, D to D sharp, and D sharp to E. 4 half steps is the major third that leaves us on E. So C to E is a major third. And then we want a minor third above E. So we're going to start counting again on E, and we're going to count up 3 half steps. E to F is 1, F to F sharp is 2, F sharp to G is 3. And that is a major triad, C, E, G. Or, if we're thinking about it on the piano keyboard, it's 4 half steps followed by 3 half steps. And that's a major triad. That word triad, by the way, simply means a chord that has 3 notes, major triad. There are lots of other kinds of chords. We may get to, in a future video, 4-note chords and some interesting things that we can do with those. But for now, the major triad, a 3-note chord built on a major third plus a minor third. And let's write that up here in the treble clef. So we have a C, an E, and a G. And we call that a C major chord, or a C major triad. We have a symbol that we use, a symbol called a chord symbol that lets us know, and is often used as an instruction to a performer, to perform a C major triad. And that chord symbol is simply the letter C. So if you see a piece of music or a melody that has just this letter C above it, that probably is going to mean that that you're supposed to be playing a C major triad there. Okay, so let's try a few more of these. Again, major third plus minor third. Let's make a major triad starting on F. So we start with F. We go a major third up from F. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. A major third up from F is A. And then we want a minor third up from A. 1, 2, 3 half steps leaves us on C. So F, A, C. Major third plus a minor third. And I'm going to write that up here. F, A, C. And again, the chord symbol for this would be simply F. Let's try one that doesn't just use the white notes of the keyboard, though. Let's start a major triad, or let's create a major triad, starting on the note E. And again, same formula. Major third plus a minor third. E. So E, going up, we need 4 half steps for a major third. And that leaves us on G sharp. And then we want 3 half steps going up from G sharp. So G sharp, A, B, A sharp, B. So we have G, E, G sharp, and B. And that's what we would call our E major triad. Let's do one more. Let's do one that starts on a black key this time. Let's start on B flat. So here's our B flat right here. And again, we need a major third followed by a minor third. So we're going to start on B flat. We need 4 half steps above the B flat. So B, C, C sharp, D is the major third above. And then we need 3 half steps above that. So D, D sharp, E, and F. So B, D, and F is our B flat major triad. I'm going to write that right here. B flat, D, and F. Chord symbol for that would simply be a B flat. Chord symbol for the E would be just an E. Sometimes you see these chord symbols. Sometimes you'll see an uppercase M that also means the same thing, C major. Or sometimes you'll even see, usually in lowercase, you'll see an M-A J like this, C major. But most of the time you'll just see the C all by itself. But all 3 of those things mean exactly the same thing. There it is. It's as simple as that. Now you know how to make a C major triad. In the next video, we will learn how to make its cousin, the C minor triad.